The camper we're going to be working on today is a 2001 Santa Fe. The bed end is a double size. It measures 48 inches in length, so we're going to have to modify our universal tent support pole to make it work for this camper. We also see that the bed bow is going to need a tent support tip, and the roof brace bracket is going to require a duckbill. Let's get started. First, we're going to want to take some measurements of the length from the bed bow to the bracket to determine what size we need to cut our universal tent support pole down to. We can do this with a tape measure, measuring from the bed bow to the bracket, or we can use the tent support pole as well. To measure it off using the tent support pole, you're going to need some tape. So I've got some blue tape here. I'm going to go ahead and get a couple pieces ready. And now I'm going to put my bed bow end up to the bed bow. And then I'm going to take my shepherd hook end and move it to the roof brace bracket. Holding these two pieces firmly together, I'm going to tape them. Let's go inside and prepare to cut it down to size. To modify our pole to work with this camper's bed extension, we're going to be removing part of this straight pole. The end we're going to be cutting off is the C-clasp end. So to find our measurement, we want to measure to one of these center adjustment holes. So from this end that we're going to keep, I'm going to measure to this hole, and I find 20 and a half. So I'm going to mark this end 20 and a half. To remove this section, you can use a hacksaw or a power bandsaw with a metal blade or a cutting metal blade on a chop saw. To speed it up, we'll be using a metal chop saw today. If you use a metal chop saw, go very slowly through the pole. So on a hard surface, we'll place down a rag, tent support tip in the end of the pole, socket over the end to use as a driver. Next, we'll pilot a small hole and install a screw to hold the tent support tip in. Now, we'll put our tent pole together. And install the duckbill that this camper requires. The proper orientation for the duckbill is going to be like this. And you'll notice that the tent support pins can stay in for this application. If you choose to remove them, that's fine as well. This is a black pole cap. This will pop right out, and you can use a pair of needle nose pliers to take this twin pole pin out. This application, we're just going to leave it. So, install the duckbill, pilot a hole, Install one screw. And repeat for the other side. Okay, let's go see how it works. Good as new. And that does it, folks. You can find this product and lots of other great Coleman and Fleetwood products at our web store at colemanpopupparts.com. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.